Hello, my name is Arvin. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ping pong game from scratch. So let's get started. This is the code for the ball, the ping pong ball. And I'm going to just scooch over, show you the rest of the code. This is the rest of the code for the ball. This is the code for the paddle, and the code for the paddle. This is the code for the line. Now I'm going to show you the backdrops I used. So I used 5 backdrops in this game, like 4 backdrops. First is the castle. And the second is going to be the colorful city. And the third is going to be the blue sky. And the fourth is the school. So guys, this is the end of my video. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. And see you in my next video. Bye.